brilliant, and so these things do happen. And then he says, no, you should pay me more than what you are paying her, because I'm better than her. Another, this thing is marriage. Many of them, I will not name it, they have already proposed to many of our female employees. And you know, huh? They have organized, yes, they have proposed one, then second, then third, then fourth. And
that happens everywhere.
Huh?
It's not peculiar.
No, but see, thing is that, you know, it's very, some of them just laugh it off, some of them don't like it.
No, I'm
Feel offended.
It's not peculiar to people with mental health issues. You place men and women together and then you propose to each other.
This is here, see what happens. When 3 people have said no, the new entrant, anybody who comes, he says, will you marry me? He gives, I'm earning this much salary, I've got a house, first floor is vacant, we can stay there, all these things go on. Identifying regression. This is very, very important. Now, identifying regression, I will tell you about Sundar Raman one thing. That, you know, because he's so bright, that most of the people there, they don't say anything to him. And he came and told me one day, these 2 girls, they are all the time, 16 times they have told me, he said to me and Tanya, 16 times they have said, Paitya, Paitya, Paitya. And I said, how you have counted that?
What does it mean?
Yeah. He says, Paitya, Paitya. 16 times. And he said, how have you counted that? So we kept quiet. I said, you just leave it. And then she told me that this is not the fact, because how can he count it? He left it. After 3-4 days, he came to me and again said, these 2 girls are telling me, whenever they see me, there's SRMU. SRMU, SRMU.
What's that?
I said, what is SRMU? You don't know, madam. They are saying SRMU. I said, what is the meaning? Even I don't know. Southern Railway Mazdoor Union. I said, what is that? Actually, he was made to resign because he had a problem with the union when he was in railways. It became a big issue. And then so it is working in his mind. So we knew there is something not working. We told him to rest for 3-4 days. About Murali, once I went to the shop floor and I saw Murali sitting in a corner. I asked them why Murali is sitting and not doing any work. The supervisor came and told me, Manasa seri illa madam. Avale paladi. So I said, what happened to him? Then I came to know what he means is man cheek nahi hai, aap chinta mat kariye. And then what happened? It seems the lady who serves the coffee, he threw the coffee on her because he was angry. I went and told him, Murali, what happened to you? You are angry today. He said, no. Before I say anything, he starts saying sorry to me. Sorry, madam, sorry. Mama kede prachana aache. His wife, he had some fight, so that is why this happened. I'll go say sorry. I said, go say sorry. He went and said sorry to her, but we also told him rest for 1 week. These are the staff counseling session we have. You see Mr. Manuel, who is my colleague. Mr. Manuel joined me in 1994. And on the shop floor he is talking to them. We talk to them a lot of things. Sometimes we have to, give them this compassion card, We say, be nice to them and say something. In Chromatics, what has happened as the company has grown, the problems have also grown. And we felt that shop floor employees and packing employees are much better. They take these things, they're more compassionate and caring than the ones in the office. So now what we do, we for the new recruits, we give them a questionnaire which says our organization supports the cause of mental illness and you will often have to interact with people with mental illness. Any reservations or problem with that, please mention if you do. We say that, and with that what happens? 99% of the people say, no, we don't have any problem. We also like to do that. But it does not happen like that. In spite of that, there are issues. In spite of that, there are issues, and that time, we remind them, this is what we have told you before also. Now you have to be little patient. And we also say the patient also, we call them also and tell them, don't fight. Our suppliers, our customers, our bankers, our friends, whoever deals with chromatics, they are very well aware about our fight for this cause, and we believe in this cause. Our stationery carries this slogan: let's convert contempt to compassion for persons with mental illness. Healing statistics from 2004 till date. PWMI from people with mental illness from scarf to chromatics plus Asha shops 19. 10 came from scarf to chromatics and 9 to Asha shops. 10 recruited in chromatics, 9 in Asha Mogapia shop. 9 went for outside employment and 1 still working in chromatics. Of the 9 in Asha shop, 7 went for outside employment and 2 are still working in Asha Mogapia shop. Net reintegration is 84%. PWMI from Asha 112. 36 chose not to get employed. No matter what you tell them, no matter what you say, there were some who were not willing to work. 76 employed in Asha shops, 67 went for outside employment, 9 still in Asha shops. Net reintegration 60%. Mental illness is growing at an alarming rate, and the need today is to have more private enterprises giving jobs to persons with mental illness. I will say, when I say this, obviously I mean the people who have resources and they can do. Dr. Salim's, one of his patients, I will not reveal the name, they are very well to do. They have got 2-3 factories, one in Gurgaon, one is in Pune, one is also in Chennai. And I have told him several times, give jobs to some of the people in Delhi. I think you know whom I am talking about. Tax concessions for enterprises and incentive to employ. I think this is very, very important. As I told you a little bit, I briefed you about chromatics. The whole idea was to tell you that we have very, very limited options because there is a formulation chemistry involved, and also there are some import substitutes we do. Little bit of mistake cost us dearly. Ultimately, it's a commercial venture. So there are very, very limited opportunities. But there are so many people whom we go and we go talk to them, people who sympathize with us and our cause. But they say, okay, some of them do employ. But then they say, we'll do. In fact, many of them have started buying from our Asha shops. All consumables they buy from Asha shops. But jobs, no, how is it not possible? That's the thing. Because if we give them tax concession, here chromatics is not at all in my mind. I feel that when I network with other people, when I tell them, if I tell them that look, there are tax concession if you employ them, it will be really good. We can have more people to be employed, can be employed. Tax exemption for all shops that employ PWMI. This is another thing, Doctor. For you. Both the things are for you only. And you can at least speak on our behalf. The shops we have, see the shops when we don't want to write there, run by or managed by people with mental illness. We don't want to do that. Our idea is to put them in the society, make them comfortable and reintegrate them. But we had a lot of problem in our Tambaram shops. lot of people from.
Excuse me, sister. You please tell a little about Asha and the dead.
Yeah, I'll tell them. Yes, okay. So there, they started saying that is it covered under this? So then I was thinking what to do. One day if they slap us with some penalty, we will not be able. We are just managing to sustain the shops. How will we pay? So then we were forced to write rehabilitation center. In all the shops I wrote rehabilitation center, rehabilitation center. Only in Mogapair shop it is not written because nobody comes there. Because these kind of shops are there in plenty. So they are also not paying, I think. So we are managing with this.